You know what theme we popping off with today?
I'm out for my grandmother. I can't wait for our... When that comes in, her and be like, what's this? I say my auntie.
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another video. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. We ain't gonna prolong it, but be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure that you guys are subscribed. If you're new here, hello, my name is Mo, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for being a part of the design crew. I don't even know why I just said the design crew, but anywho, you guys, so today I'm doing a lawyer themed case, and if y'all can see, I got like some little goodies over here. And if y'all also you guys also be sure to go follow me on my my little personal YouTube channel so y'all can get to know me a little bit better over there at my what did I just change the name, you guys? It was Bay's Way, but it's now called Mom Life Trucker Wife. I think that's what I named it. Y'all listen, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below. Okay, so today we're working with the 13 Pro case, and oh my gosh, now that I see this case, this thing is small, but we're gonna go ahead and start by placing the pieces. I'm gonna put this right in front of me, y'all. This is what the customer wanted. Placing the pieces over here on my little tray that I have, and I'm going to read out what the customer wanted. A lawyer theme, pink, hot pink, black, legal, lawyer, flower. Well, I added the flower on there, and why did I put pink twice? I don't even know. But you guys, so her theme, she wanted black, pink, hot pink, and you know, obviously the color of this mixture. But I couldn't find any legal pieces to match that color. So I went ahead and I sealed some images. I don't know which ones I'm going to work with, but I'm going to just go ahead and place all of them on this tray. And you guys, it's Ramadan, alhamdulillah, may Allah continue to bless all the Muslims and except for us our fast. So the girls, y'all hear the kids in the background, y'all already know how it go. I wanted something else like a laser cut, and I'm thinking I'm about to go ahead and find one, because now that I see this does not look good to me. This look like I'm missing something. So if you guys don't know, if y'all go and look at a lot of my phone cases, y'all will know how I like to mix up my pieces. I like to deal with resin, laser cut, planars, I think they call them planners or planar. What else? And then I also use, like, you know, charms and things, flowers, obviously. So I like to use a lot of different pieces. These images I sealed over the weekend, and I'm really excited about them because they turned out really, really good. And this one, ain't this just so cute? Hopefully somebody will order another like lawyer theme, because I'm feeling this. Okay, I'm feeling this. I got the law book, you know. But as y'all can see, it's a lot of brown. It's like a lot of dull colors to me. So I want to go ahead and try to incorporate some of these pieces into it, and then obviously bring it out with the mixture. So we're going to see, we're going to both see how this turned out. And hopefully, you know, I mean, it's never been the case that I made that didn't come out good. You know, your girl got the hands, okay? I don't believe that this will be going on the phone case, but I had to sell it because it was just too cute. I found this laser cut in there. It's looking super big compared, like when you put it on there, it takes up a lot of space. So I don't know how this is going to work, but we about to go ahead and place these pieces because, like, we ain't got no choice. This is about to be one of the most challenging cell phone cases that I ever made. Like, let's just see how, let's just place the pieces. Okay, you guys, I think I'm feeling this look. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp it. Let's glue these pieces, and then let's get the blinging. Pieces are glued. Now let's get the blinging. it turned out better than I thought it would. It really did. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you guys are subscribing, that those post notifications are turned on. And also be sure to head over to my Instagram at Designsbymyc and give your girl a follow. Well, you know what, you guys? I forgot to tear back the plastic. You know what? Let me just be careful because this stuff is not fully glued. I forgot to tear back the plastic on my name. Okay, there you have it. Okay, you guys. Yeah, like I said, yeah, and drop some comments below. And if you want to place a custom order, be sure to head over to my website, Designsbymyc, and you can place your custom order there. Anything, no theme is off limits. Well, there is some, but I'll let you know that once you place your order. Okay, you guys, until the next video, bye-bye.